What's up, Cool Nation? This is your boy One Cool Mike back in effect with another video. This video is gonna be short, but it also will be help you as well, just in case this happens to you. My bumper has become flimsy because like when you take it off so many times, it just there's plastics. You know what I'm saying? So I did my research and I came up with this. So you could stabilize it and secure it and take the bump off anytime. You just press the button and voila, like that. So let's get to it, and I just want to show you this might happen to you, and if it doesn't, hey. But I just want to help those who need help. You can get these clip-ons, right? And it's also good for your hood. And that's another project I have to tackle too, because the hood level has broke. But I want to capture the bumper first with this, and let's get to it. Okay, Cool Nation. I'm over here near the car, near the bumper. You see, the bumper is flimsy, and I was holding it with duct tape. So, always carry some duct tape in your car. You never know. It always come in handy. You know what I'm saying? So, and the duct tape leaves a lot of scuffs. You know what I'm saying? So, just always carry this too, WD-40. And just spray a little to wipe, because it's hard to get that duct tape off the car. And this WD-40 works in minutes. And voila, see? The tape is off. Because the tape is very sticky, and you don't want to leave a mark on your car like that. Okay, so in order to take it off, in order to use the aftermarket snapper, which is right here, like I said, we're gonna use this. We have to take the original one off, from the dealer, and everything is usually 12 millimeter. You know what I'm saying? I come to find out, and so let's take this off. Let me show you. Wow, in the process, let's take this off right here. It's 2 bolts. So if you got a Hyundai, they're all the same thing though. So and these for the guys who get frustrated after, maybe they gotta fix their radiator or change their fan or put lights, aftermarket lights on and stuff like that. It's time consuming when you gotta take this bumper off. Okay, so I'm gonna take the last nut off, and then I'm gonna show you how to drill the hole. Okay, Cool Nation, as you see, I put the fastener in. I drilled the hole with the drill, right? So I drilled it, so see how it's secure. Now I have to drill a hole so I could put this in the plastic. Remember, that's the metal, and now I just gotta put the fastener on. And I marked it always at the tip of the point right here. Use a little spray paint and mark it, and so you drill it from the back, and it should leave it a dent in the back of the bumper right here. So so always line it up, put the spray paint, and just press it a little, so you would know where to drill your hole at the bumper, so this could catch on. See, it goes something like this. See, check it out. I'm gonna show you. See, like this. See, it snaps like that. All right, well, then it just snaps off like that. Okay, so let's get to it and let's finish this. Okay, there's no going back. Once you mark it, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna leave a hole in your bumper, so. Okay, so I stopped it right there. As you see, I put a little dent right here. To the light, you see? Put a little dent right there. And then let's line it up. Okay, and now we could drill a hole accordingly. Here we go. right. So we got it in, as you see, the hole was drilled right there. And see, you place it right there. Okay. And let's secure it properly. And I'll turn the camera back on when it's complete. Hey, Crew Nation, another job complete. You know, like I said, I'm here to motivate y'all to do these things, and so y'all can do this just in case this happens. And like I said, usually people's bumpers come off, like if they get in an accident or whatever. That's why I always said carry the duct tape and whatever supplies that you might need in your vehicle. You know, and for the guys who take their bumper off all the time, like I said before, if you're fixing your radiator or your fan or whatever, or lights and stuff like that, you need to take your bumper off. And most of the time, to take the bumper off is so hard, you gotta reset the wheel and unscrew it from the bottom, get under your knees and stuff like this. But with the quick latch buttons, it's an easy task. So I completed the job, as you see. All I have to do is just press the button and the bumper comes off. Okay, and then snap it back on. You heard it click, and look, nice and secure, nice and secure. And like I said, if you want this, Pep Boys sell quick release. It's called bumpers or hood. You can use it for your bumpers or hood, and you could get them on Amazon, and then it's not that expensive. I think I paid like $25, and here they go right here. It just came in a plastic bag from Amazon right here. For a set of 4, I think it was like $20. So this is just a short video to let you know that always stay positive when things seem hard. You know what I'm saying? Always look for options so you know you can get your way through it. You know what I'm saying? We all have bad days. You know, that's just part of life. You know, things happen for a reason that we can't explain. And so, like I said, as I was sitting, and sometimes it's good just to sit and figure out what you're going to do. Like in this situation, like I said, I'm always fixing this vehicle, like I said, and whether changing the radiator or the radiator fan, or putting aftermarket lights and so forth, and it's good. So all you have to do is just click off and click back on. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy One Cool Mike. Stay positive out there. Until the next time, peace.